Welcome back to the shadows of YouTube. Game review. The first reviews for our newly released game 20 minutes shooter came in, well, just in time I would say. So let's see, what's the review? Haven't we done this part already? I didn't play it for a week or two, so I should know. Oh my, so 6, 7, 5, 6. Okie doke. Could have been better. Yeah. Fun at stages. Marvelous. So, game convention again, eh? So, 20-minute shooter. Let's go for a small one. Are you in the need of... George, could you do me my game report, please? Could you do me... We have 80 points. We do want to go and get like 100 and 120. I could go for some training with everyone. Let's just wait for the... Oh, that's some nice money coming in. Okay, there we go. Engine, very important. Okay. Audio match, great. Military major. He's going up, so we just hired him. So he's warming up at the moment, like an engine, so to speak. So, should we do a contract work today? Let me think. Did we buy anything new? I think nothing huge. So what we need to do is we need to get a lot of research points actually. Let's do a publisher deal. No license. Medium score 7. Ooh, I don't trust score 7 GR pad. A minimum score of 5. Ninvento. Medium. Cool. So a medium young game. What? Oh, we need to do game dev. A game dev adventure. And we call it Game Dev Adventure Times. For the GS with the Shadow Core 06. I think we can upgrade it just a little bit. We do have the money now. 3D graphics go. So let's have a look what we can do. Is my camera is on and stuff. Wonderful. I also think that we get to the end of the game pretty soon. Today the new game platform MBox 1 by Microsoft has been released. What this will mean is essentially I will potentially finish the series when we hit, well, it is basically an open-ended game, but if we do hit the end of the game in terms of there is a thing in which they don't release any new stuff anymore and you can just keep playing. I think there is a message coming up as well at that point, and I would like to kinda like stop it there and make room for something new, basically. I have to decide and think about what exactly will be the new thing. I have a list of games, to be honest. A whole list of games which I would love to get into and record and start and so on. Timing at the moment is a little bit of an issue. We did start Terraria, which is pretty good. Which is, at the moment I can keep up like one Terraria episode per week, and it seems to work out so far. So that's okay. But I slowly but steady feel that I need to invest more time into Terraria for the grinding part of things. My IH. Oof. Long day. I do have a couple of other games which are more linear, which are more less grindy. I do have a couple games which I would love to do, but I just can't think of a good format at the moment, because you need to do a lot of time off camera and can only do very little to keep it exciting and good. There is a particular space game which I would like to bring in, maybe more than one. I maybe need to learn to, or not learn to, but like cut things together a bit more. I have to have a look into game conference, top 100, okie doke. I need to look into, I think I had an issue the last time when I tried to cut things together with the OBS recording, that I can actually get the things where they need be. Oh, AI, like very minus, like 2 minus, like this is 1 minus, and boom, dialogues all the way. I invest everything into dialogues. AI, like, really no. Like, no. Okay, and you know as well, so can we really not? Like, is this not? There we go. I think dialogues are at, is dialogue a thing? Oh, wait, let's get you here. Oh. Oh, actually, let's turn you two around. Boom. Yeah. Tech guy, AI is AI. Since he doesn't need to do anything, and I can save myself for stage 3. But yeah, I had a thing with the, it's so hyped up as well, in which I had an issue with like putting it together in the end, with my software, which I usually use. So I have to have a look. Oh, design, very intense, very intense. Graphics are, yeah, kinda needed. And yeah, I just have to see how things go. It's a game dev, so yeah, let's not do open world. Okay, so I need a designer. I take it myself. Graphic is design as well, I think. Can we push you a bit more? Yes, we can. And sound might be a taxing, might not be. Ugh. I could have used someone twice, but I want to spread it out a bit. Since you're not busy, can you... Well, oh, can we... Shall we do marketing? With magazine action. I mean, we already have a hype of like 100 and... Whoa! This game is hyped! Games of the market, 2 to 4 millions in sales. Okay, that's alright, that's alright. 8 minutes in, cool. Well, we have a lot of bugs. Today the new game platform PlaySystem 4 by Vony has been released. I don't know why I use this particular voice for Vony. Boop. Ooh. It was a design point. Yes. Please no raises, please no raises, please no... Yes. Cool. Okay. Awesome. You need to go on a vacation. You need to do the game report for this one. Yo. Please a 5, please a 5, please a 5, please a 5. You get an 8. You should get an 8 as well, at least. 7. Biscuit, you. 7. Good. Oh, wait. You're not my game hero anymore. 6. 877. Why 6? Why? Okay, what's happening? Whoa, 140 research. We have some big things coming up. Immersive storage, large games. Oh, shall we do large games? It's only 40 RP. Self-learning AI. We do have general stuff like topics, we do have graphics. 2D versions. I don't know if I need to do the 2D version 3, in order to unlock something. Might be the case that it leads to like something which is like those two technologies combined make this baby, which is great. Let's see, loading screen, soundtrack. Shall we go for... That would be quite a good one. Because I do think that I have had something like that, and then you go and do a research as well. We have 40 left. Soundtrack. We don't even have soundtracks, you know? It's like... can we do large games? Should we do large games is more the question. I mean, we can do them, but just because we can doesn't mean that we should. Level design. Yeah, and you get a training actually. I can't specialize him. 390, 340, 330. Research is a little bit low. Oh, it costs RP as well. I have 6. I can do a thing here. Let's get the research up. So that should give me more business with Ninvento. 1 million units. 2 million. Oh, sorry if that was a bit loud. Look at the sales! Oh my gosh. I'm speechless. Like, my voice is gone. Like, gone. Pardon me. Game report. That was game analysis. Game dev. Game dev and adventure is a bad combination. World design seems to be very important. Okie doke. Platform genre match is good. Oh. Wait. Our fanbase is big enough to make self-publishing medium games viable. Okay. I'm sorry for doing something fancy and new. You're done. You're done as well. Shall we, as soon as we are all done, let's do a new engine. Woo! In 2 months, the Mbox 360 will be taken off the market. Shocking. Sequel custom engine. Yeah. Version 4, please. Advanced stereoscopic, and You see, there was something which was needed. Dialogue tree, yeah. We don't want mono. Let's throw it in. Why not? I mean, this is what did I call my engines? Shadow engine. Shadow core. I maybe used a different naming convention, but oh well. Whoa! Look at the points! And we're getting research as well on the side, which is amazing. We're still making cash. A lot of it, actually. Thanks to the publishing deal. Popular. New topics are popular. Shall we do, like, if we get 50 research points out of this, I would like to do, like, 5 new topics and just mass generate things with them. Looking at the time, I'm afraid I think we will not do another game after this one, or we will potentially do, but I will not know what the outcome will be of the game. This will be for the next episode then. It's off the market and it's nearly 10 million in sales. We made a lot of points, and there is point number 70 coming out. Awesome. So, shall we? Let's think about this. We haven't done a sequel in quite a while now, so I think it would be nice to have a sequel to a very old game and then pick it up. Let's do a sequel. we have a new engine, and I want to do a sequel of a very old game in like a fantastically new engine. Dungeon and RPG dungeon crawler. It was an okay game. Let's see what happens if you do dungeon crawler as a medium game, and call it Dungeon Crawlers Dungeon Walker. Dungeon Walker. Yeah, Dungeon Walker. From the crawler to the walker to the runner to the flyer to the beaver? I don't know. Maybe. Dungeon RPG, pick a platform. Oh yeah, we totally go for PC gaming. We have the optimization now. Action, adventure, RPG. I don't think that RPG is actually working on the thing. So, do we have any licenses other than we do have the GS, but we have the GR phone? Like really? Like do we? Like did we had to buy it for the thing, didn't we? We could go with the Oya actually. 10k, sure. Ha! I even did the wrong new. Well, basically with version 5 we broke with the convention. Like oh. Nobody saw this. Wait. Did I say Dungeon RPG? Yeah. 3D graphics version 4. This is not the engine you're looking for. Cool, what's happening? So we need tons of gameplay. Especially starting quests, we need about no engine basically. So let's have a see. We should have basic. Oh. Okie doke. Gameplay. Gameplay we have quite a bit. Nope. Better user experience. Let's do it like this. Story-wise, branching, cutscenes, no advanced. There we go. Story and quest is a design thing, isn't it? I want a strong tech guy. 350. I want gameplay also could be tech through. I would like to get EU here actually. And on the story, I would like to get a designer. Get a creative person on the story. Let's see what happens. Oh, 18 minutes in. Media inquiry. Hi, this is Tom Mott from Santa. I got word that Shadow Company is working on a new game. Would you be willing to share some information on your current game project and do an interview about it? It's not a new game, it's a sequel. Get your facts straight, mate. Sure. Curious about what decisions you go into video game, how come we prioritize, can you tell us whether see more focus on sound or world? Oh, dang it, did we didn't have this yet, actually. I mean, it's an RPG, so world design must be good, but also it's an RPG, so when you walk along on the open world kind of scenario, you want to have an impressive, really nice soundtrack. However, I go with the world design, because I just think that both need to be equal. Agree. Whew. Good. It needs to be kinda equal, but the world needs to look livingly good if you want to. Dialogues, level design. Crank the level design up a bit. dialogues. Yeah, dialogue trees and better AI. I'd love to get companions in, but we really can't. Dialogues, that's clearly Drew kind of stuff. Oh no, actually level design. Let's get Drew on the level design. Let's get dialogues. Let's get me on the dialogues actually, and let's get someone techie. Boom, that works. That works well. We have a lot of research points already again. Those medium games really do the trick. 20 minutes in, we will need 20 episodes actually. Let us finish the game and then do a pause break kind of thing. So, see you to the science and test of were exposed to some of you video games. Not surprised when they didn't go totally insane. That's good. Enjoy the experience and fact. Anyway, I have some products that need advertising and could do with some product placement. Marketing bonus is telling me that I'll pay you 200 grand to place some of our fine red painted exploding barrels in your video game. It's an RPG, so yeah. One more thing, don't feel like you have to go and rush those barrels into the next game. I'd rather have you place them into a game where they will fit really well. How do I do this? Also, we have a hype. And I want to spend half or something on it. Okay, so... So I want the graphics need to happen. Ooh. Ooh. But the graphics are... Oh, you see the trouble now by not having the older version. Dang it. I should have thought about that. Open world. It suits. World design. Give me. Can you? You can't. Give me someone else who's really strong with, that works. Graphics. Give me a tech or a design guy. Well, you can work harder. You're the new guy. He needs some holidays anyway, so let's like really grind him down to... Wow. Let's really grind him down. 23 minutes. Go. So much hype. Hype more. Fix the bugs. Ladies and gentlemen, I would say we shall end the episode here. That's a good breaking point. In the next episode, what you will see is, will Dungeon Walker make his return? Will it be a good game? Will the people actually buy this? This and more, and what kind of game convention we will do. We will know in the... Bye!